Is your cat anxious, hiding, or acting out? What if we told you that music might be the solution? Welcome to the calming world of cat music, where science and sound come together to soothe our feline friends. Before we dive into the music, let's talk stress. Cats are sensitive creatures. Changes in routine, loud noises, strangers, or even trips to the vet can send them into fight or flight mode. Signs of stress include hiding or aggression, overgrooming, refusing food, or excessive meowing or silence. But here's the good news: just like music can calm us, it can calm them too. In fact, studies show that certain frequencies and tempos can lower heart rates and reduce stress hormones in cats. So what kind of music works for cats? Not Mozart. Not Taylor Swift. Cats hear a wider range of frequencies than humans, and prefer sounds closer to the range of purring, bird chirps, and kitten suckling. In 2015, researchers at the University of Wisconsin created species-specific music tailored to cats. The result? Cats approached the speaker, rubbed their faces on it, and even purred. This music was slower in tempo, mimicked feline vocal patterns, and avoided sudden spikes or high-pitched human sounds. Here's when cat calming music really helps: during vet visits or car rides, when introducing a new pet, while you're away at work, or during thunderstorms or fireworks. Just play it at a low volume near your cat's favorite spot. Use a Bluetooth speaker, or let it stream softly from your phone. Let your cat choose how close they want to get. Now, you might be wondering, does my cat actually like the music, or is it just the ambience? Well, there's evidence that cats do have a preference for certain sounds. A study published in the Journal of Animal Behavior found that cats spend significantly more time near a speaker playing back recordings of cats meowing than near a speaker playing back silence. Another study published in the journal PLOS ONE found that cats preferred music with a slow tempo and minor key signature. They also preferred music with low amplitude and a low number of transients, which are sudden changes in volume. So what music should you avoid playing for your cat? Loud classical with cymbals or violins, fast beats like EDM or rock, or any music with human vocals or talking videos. These sounds can actually increase feline stress and lead to avoidance or agitation. When it comes to choosing a playlist, some services offer pre-made cat calming playlists. But why not make your own? Here's what to look for. Aim for instrumental tracks without vocals. Classical pieces like Chopin's Nocturnes or Debussy's Clair de Lune are often used. Nature sounds like rain or ocean waves are great. And don't underestimate the power of white noise or ambient tracks. But remember, it's all about the volume. Keep it low so the music is a gentle background. Now let's hear from real cat owners who are already using calming music. My cat falls asleep within 5 minutes when I play this. It's the only thing that keeps her calm during storms. I leave it on while I'm at work. It's like therapy for my cat. Looking for something a little more high-tech? There are services that offer a subscription-based streaming service designed specifically for cats. Their custom algorithm creates a relaxing soundscape based on your cat's needs. Is your cat a picky listener? You can experiment with different genres and tempos to see what your cat likes best. Some cats may prefer classical, while others may prefer something more upbeat. Just use your best judgment and avoid anything too jarring or loud. And don't forget, music isn't the only tool in your toolbox. There are other ways to keep your cat calm and relaxed, like providing plenty of hiding spots, scratching posts, and interactive toys. And if your cat is still feeling anxious, consult your vet. They may be able to recommend medication or other therapies to help your cat relax. Remember, every cat is unique. What works for one may not work for another. So try out different techniques and find what works best for your feline friend. Whether you've got a skittish kitten or a stressed-out senior cat, calming music might just be the missing piece. It's easy to do and could make a big difference in your cat's quality of life. So why not give it a try and see for yourself? Music isn't just for humans. It's a universal language that can touch the hearts and soothe the souls of our furry companions. If you're lucky enough to have a cat in your life, you know just how special they are. Their purrs can heal your broken heart and their cuddles can warm your soul. Speaking of healing, did you know that your cat has a superpower that can melt away their stress and anxiety? It's their purr. When cats purr, they release endorphins that have a calming effect on both their body and mind. And guess what? You can tap into this healing power by recording your cat's purrs and playing them back when they're feeling anxious. It's like giving them a little dose of kitty heaven. But wait, there's more. Studies have shown that the frequency of a cat's purr can help with wound healing and reduce stress levels. So turn up the volume on your cat's purr and watch them relax and rejuvenate. It's the ultimate feline spa experience. Are you ready to unlock the power of your cat's purr? It's easy to do and the benefits are endless. Your cat will feel calmer, happier, and healthier. So give it a try and see for yourself. Your cat will thank you with a perfectly content cuddle session. Who knew your cat's purr could be so powerful? It's like having a personal feline therapist right at your fingertips. So go ahead, embrace the purr and watch your cat's stress melt away. They say a cat has 9 lives, but with the power of music and purring, your cat will live each one to the fullest. Don't forget to subscribe for more heartwarming stories and expert advice on how to give your cat the best life possible. And check out our other videos for more tail purring tales and tips. Your cat will love you for it. With the perfect playlist, you'll be on your way to creating a peaceful oasis for your furry friend in no time. So put on some tunes and watch your cat's stress disappear. It's the ultimate cat-tastic self-care routine. Is your cat still giving you the cold shoulder? Don't worry. We've got some more tricks up our sleeves to win them over. From interactive toys to scratching posts, we'll show you how to make your home a cat paradise. So click this video on screen now and keep the purr tie going. And don't forget to subscribe for even more cat-tastic content. It's the pawsome way to show your cat just how much you care.